Welcome and thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, the 2024 Ford Mustang trim levels and standard features are explained. I'll also go over the paint colors. Before I do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And real quick, before I get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at my 2023 Dodge Challenger trim levels video. I've put the link in the description below. The 2024 Ford Mustang marks a significant milestone in the evolution of this iconic vehicle. Representing its 7th generation, this Mustang is a harmonious blend of heritage and innovation. It promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience backed by advanced engine technologies and a design that pays homage to its storied past while embracing the future. With its fighter jet-inspired cockpit and a range of customization options, the Mustang is set to captivate both purists and new enthusiasts alike. The exterior of the 2024 Ford Mustang is a masterclass in design. While it boasts a modern, chiseled look, it doesn't stray far from its roots. The low horizontal brow and the upper grille design are reminiscent of the original 1960s Mustang. The tri-bar LED headlamps continue the classic lighting signature that has become synonymous with the Mustang brand. Its sleek roofline and broad stance are true to the authentic proportions of its predecessors. The widened rear haunches, a nod to the power that lies beneath, are quintessentially Mustang. Inside, the 2024 Ford Mustang offers an unparalleled experience. The fighter jet-inspired cockpit is a testament to Ford's commitment to prioritizing the driver. With 2 customizable digital displays, drivers have all the information they need at their fingertips. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster, with its game-like graphics and intuitive controls, ensures that drivers are always in command. With features like the race-inspired flat-bottom steering wheel and animated welcome lighting, every detail has been thoughtfully designed to enhance the driving experience. The 2024 Ford Mustang is not just about looks and power, it's also a technological marvel. Equipped with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite, drivers can benefit from features like speed sign recognition, intelligent adaptive cruise control, and lane centering assist. The active pothole mitigation system, unique to this Mustang, ensures a smooth ride even on challenging terrains. The Ford Pass app further enhances the ownership experience, allowing drivers to stay connected with their vehicle, whether it's remote starting, locking doors, or checking vehicle health. The 2024 Ford Mustang doesn't exist in a vacuum. It faces stiff competition from rivals like the Chevrolet Camaro and the Dodge Challenger. Both these vehicles have their strengths and have garnered a loyal fan base over the years. The Camaro, with its aggressive styling and robust performance, and the Challenger, known for its raw power, are worthy adversaries. However, the Mustang, with its perfect blend of heritage, design, performance, and technology, has a unique edge. It's not just a car, it's a legacy that continues to evolve and set benchmarks in the automotive world. The 2024 Ford Mustang lineup showcases 6 distinct trims: EcoBoost, EcoBoost Premium, GT, GT Premium, Mustang Dark Horse, and Mustang Dark Horse Premium. While the EcoBoost and GT variants come in both coupe and convertible body styles, the Mustang Dark Horse is only offered as a coupe. The 2024 Ford Mustang offers a diverse range of powerful engine options tailored to different driving preferences. The turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine is a marvel of engineering, delivering a robust 315 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This engine benefits from the new modular power cylinder architecture, enhancing its performance capabilities. The Mustang GT is powered by the Gen 4 5-liter Coyote V8 engine. This engine, renowned for its performance, delivers a commendable 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque, ensuring the GT is primed for both the streets and the racetrack. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse, while housing the same Gen 4 5-liter Coyote V8 engine as the GT, has been fine-tuned to extract even more power. This variant boasts a remarkable 500 horsepower, while still maintaining the 418 pound-feet of torque, making the Dark Horse a testament to Ford's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance. The 2024 Ford Mustang provides a selection of transmission options to complement its powerful engines. 10-speed SelectShift automatic transmission. This transmission is standard on all 2024 Mustang EcoBoost trims and available for all other models. Known for its smooth gear transitions, it also offers steering wheel mounted paddle shifters for a more engaged driving experience. A unique feature of this transmission is the remote rev, allowing drivers to showcase the engine's roar at the push of a key fob button. 6-speed manual transmission with rev-matching. Standard on all 2024 Mustang GT trims, the MT82D4 6-speed manual transmission ensures smooth and precise gear shifts at any speed thanks to its rev-matching feature. TREMEC 6-speed manual transmission. Exclusively standard on the all-new Mustang Dark Horse, the modified TREMEC TR3160 6-speed manual transmission is designed for both street and track performance. It boasts features like Rev-Matching and no-lift shifting, allowing drivers to shift gears without lifting their foot off the accelerator. Aesthetically, it's adorned with a titanium anodized blue shift knob, adding a touch of style to functionality. Now let's go over the MSRP, standard features, and available packages for the 2024 Ford Mustang, starting with the base model EcoBoost Fastback, which has a starting MSRP of $30,920. The EcoBoost Fastback is the entry point into the Mustang world, offering a perfect blend of performance and value. Standard features include 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, 315 limited slip rear axle, 10-speed SelectShift automatic transmission with paddle shifters, electric power-assisted steering with selectable effort, ventilated four-wheel disc power brakes with 2-piston front calipers, selectable drive modes, 17-inch sparkle silver painted aluminum wheels, dual bright exhaust with rolled tips, LED projector headlamps with LED signature lighting, body color dual power adjustable side mirrors, configurable daytime running lamps, LED sequential tail lights, 12.4-inch digital cluster with information on demand message center, intelligent access with push button start, track apps, black first row carpeted floor mats, center console with full armrest, electric parking brake, leather wrapped gear shift knob, power front windows with one touch up and down and global open, black foot pedals, single zone climate control, auto lights with wiper activation, cup holders, driver footrest, vinyl flat bottom steering wheel, tilt telescoping steering column, power points, dual illuminated visor vanity mirrors, glove box with lockable door, cloth bucket seats, 4-way manual passenger seat, 6-way manual driver's seat, 4-way adjustable front head restraints, 50/50 split bench folding rear seat, Ford Pass Connect with 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, 6-speaker sound system, AM/FM stereo, MP3 capable, Sync 4 with 13.2-inch center stack touchscreen, smart charging USB ports, lane keeping system with lane keeping alert, lane keeping aid and driver alert, road edge detection, blind spot assist, rear parking sensors, rain sensing windshield wipers, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, rear view camera, auto high beam headlamps, advanced track with electronic stability control, SOS post-crash alert system, Ford Co-Pilot 360, individual tire pressure monitoring system, perimeter alarm, remote keyless entry, security lock passive anti-theft system, and illuminated entry. Taking a step up, the EcoBoost Fastback Premium, starting at $36,445, offers all of the features of the EcoBoost Fastback, but with added luxury and tech enhancements. Additional standard features include 18-inch machine-faced aluminum wheels with high-gloss ebony black painted pockets, pony projection lights, heated body color side mirrors with integrated turn signals and pony puddle lamps, body color blade deck lid spoiler, ambient lighting with My Color, premium carpeted floor mats with accent stitch, aluminum foot pedals, dual zone electronic automatic temperature control, auto dimming frameless rearview mirror, leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel 4-piece with chrome bezel, heated steering wheel, premium door trim, soft door rollover, 6-way power driver's seat with power lumbar control, 4-way power passenger seat, ActiveX seating material, heated and cooled front seats, Sirius XM radio, 9-speaker sound system with amplifier, and a wireless charging pad. For those who crave more power, the GT Fastback with an MSRP of $42,495 is the answer. It's designed for enthusiasts who prioritize performance above all else. The GT builds on the features of the base model EcoBoost by adding a 5-liter V8 engine, 6-speed manual transmission with Rev-Matching, hood vent, body color wedge deck lid spoiler, 18-inch ebony black painted aluminum wheels, larger vented 4-wheel disc power brakes with 4-piston front calipers, auto-dimming frameless rearview mirror, and leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel 4-piece with chrome bezel. Starting at $47,015, the GT Premium Fastback merges the power of the GT with the luxury features of the EcoBoost Premium for those who want the best of both worlds. Additional standard features include 19-inch shadow silver painted aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, and leather trimmed seats. With an MSRP of $59,270, the Dark Horse is a special breed. It's designed for the true Mustang aficionado, offering the most potent engine in the lineup, combined with most of the luxury features from the EcoBoost Premium. Additional features include a more powerful 5-liter V8 engine, 373 Torsen limited slip rear axle, engine oil, transmission, and differential coolers, TREMEC 6-speed manual transmission with Rev-Matching, K-brace, unique chassis tuning, Magna-Ride damping system, open air induction system, Brembo 6-piston front brake calipers with larger rotors, rear brake rotors with 4-piston Brembo calipers, performance-enhanced powertrain calibration, heavy-duty front springs, silver-painted strut tower brace with Dark Horse badge, 19-inch tarnished dark-painted low-gloss aluminum wheels, active valve performance exhaust with black tips, LED projector headlamps with black bezels and LED signature lighting, tarnished dark anodized side view mirrors, unique front and rear lower fascia, unique lower and outboard grills, unique painted front upper grille with pony badge, performance rear spoiler, Dark Horse instrument panel badge with unique chassis number, leather wrapped flat bottom steering wheel with performance suede insert, electric hand operated parking brake, titanium anodized blue gear shift knob, cloth front bucket seats with vinyl trim, B&O sound system by Bang & Olufsen with 12 speakers, voice activated navigation system with pinch to zoom capability, and active anti-theft system. The pinnacle of Mustang luxury and performance, the Dark Horse Premium, starts at $63,265 and offers everything the Dark Horse does, but with added features. It's the ultimate Mustang experience, designed for those who accept no compromises and want the very best in performance, luxury, and style. Unique features include approach detection with welcome and farewell exterior lighting, accent stitch center console lid, wrapped knee bolsters with accent stitch and shifter boot, unique color accented door trim, and color accented cloth seats. Dive into the realm of personalization with the 2024 Ford Mustang's meticulously curated packages. Each package, tailored to cater to the diverse desires of Mustang enthusiasts, offers a unique blend of aesthetics, performance, and luxury. Whether you're seeking a touch of elegance, a dash of sportiness, or the pinnacle of performance, these packages promise to elevate your Mustang experience to unparalleled heights. Available on EcoBoost and EcoBoost Premium, the wheel and stripe package includes 19-inch machine-faced aluminum wheels with tarnished dark painted pockets, hood stripe, and side stripe. Available on EcoBoost, EcoBoost Premium, GT, and GT Premium, the Mustang Nite Pony package includes 19-inch ebony black painted aluminum wheels with W-rated tires, black GT, 5-liter and pony badges, black mirror caps, painted black roof, headlamps with black bezel, and blade deck lid spoiler painted shadow black. Available on EcoBoost and EcoBoost Premium, the 2.3-liter high-performance package includes 355 Torsen limited slip rear axle, 19-inch carbonized gray painted aluminum wheels, summer-only tires, black painted strut tower brace, black seat belts, carbon black grille, electric hand-operated parking brake, front towing hooks, heavy-duty front springs, 19-inch Brembo brake system with performance linings and black with white logo brake calipers, leather-wrapped steering wheel with 4-piece with chrome bezel, paddle shifters, raised wedge deck lid spoiler painted body color on the Fastback, spoiler delete on the convertible, unique chassis tuning, unique EPAS and ABS and stability control tuning, and an upsized rear sway bar. Available on GT and GT Premium, the GT Performance package includes staggered 19-inch carbonized gray painted aluminum wheels, 19-inch Brembo brake system with performance linings and black with white logo brake calipers, electric hand-operated parking brake, front tow hook, grille painted ebony black, heavy-duty front springs, K-brace, performance raised rear wing painted body color, black painted strut tower brace, Torsen differential with 373 axle ratio with the manual, Torsen differential with 355 axle ratio with the automatic, unique chassis tuning, unique stability control, EPAS and ABS tuning, and an upsized rear sway bar. Available on Dark Horse and Dark Horse Premium, the Dark Horse handling package includes staggered 19-inch dark tarnished dark painted aluminum wheels, 305/30R19 front and 315/30R19 rear tires, adjustable strut top mounts, front towing hooks, magnetic damping system, performance rear spoiler with gurney flap painted shadow black, and revised chassis tuning. Available on Dark Horse Premium, the Dark Horse appearance package includes black painted roof, unique brake calipers painted notorious blue with grabber blue logo, and a unique hood graphic. As for which 2024 Ford Mustang to buy, for those seeking a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and unique design elements, the Mustang Dark Horse Premium stands out as the top choice. Here's why. Exclusive performance. The Dark Horse Premium is powered by a naturally aspirated Gen 4 5-liter Coyote V8 engine, delivering a staggering 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. This ensures an exhilarating driving experience that's hard to match. Luxury and comfort. As the premium badge suggests, this trim offers a range of luxury features, ensuring a comfortable and refined driving experience. From premium materials to advanced infotainment options, the Dark Horse Premium promises a top-tier Mustang experience. Unique design elements. The Dark Horse Premium boasts exclusive design cues and finishes that set it apart from other trims. This ensures that not only you will be driving a performance powerhouse, but you'll also be turning heads wherever you go. Available packages. With the option to add the Dark Horse Appearance Package, owners can further customize their Mustang with unique design elements like a black painted roof and special brake calipers. Value for money. While the Dark Horse Premium might come at a premium price, the range of features, performance capabilities, and exclusive design elements ensure that it offers value for every dollar spent. If you're looking for a Mustang that offers the best of performance, luxury, and exclusivity, the Mustang Dark Horse Premium is the trim to go for in 2024. Lastly, let's go over the paint colors for the 2024 Ford Mustang. There are 12 available colors. Not every color is available on every trim level. This color is Grabber Blue, Yellow Splash, Dark Matter Gray, Race Red, Iconic Silver, Oxford White, Shadow Black, Vapor Blue, Carbonized Gray, Rapid Red, Atlas Blue, and Blue Ember. Okay, that's it. I'm going to wrap this video up. I went over the trim levels, MSRP, standard features, available packages, which trim level to buy, and the paint colors for the 2024 Ford Mustang. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.